Okay, this is a plastic quarantine enclosure, and the purpose is if you're in a temporary hospital or something like that, as you can see we can move this thing quite easily, but you may want to quarantine some patients from other patients. It's got these window flaps here if nurses need to get in there or equipment needs to get in there. What's nice is if this is the back of the bed and the head of the person is right here, quite often you need to get wires up through here. These just strip right off and you can get the wires in there. Again, it's got these windows. It's very hard to make a mistake. This is just adhesive and Velcro. We intended this to be a certain size, and when we were done, we were off by an inch or so. It doesn't really matter because we can field cut all this stuff, and we're just dealing with Velcro and clear vinyl, and as you can see, it sticks real well. It's really hard to see what this is, but this is with a camera, but this is 20 mil clear vinyl plastic. And over here we have two windows to get in, but on the other side, we have just one. But you can make these windows anywhere you want to. Very easy to do. Total cost for the materials is under $200, and you can make them yourselves. Is really the easiest and most efficient thing to do. There's a lot of guys out of work. I'm sure they'd be happy to make these for you. Probably first go around, it'll take two guys, probably 2 or 3 hours to make their first one. After that, they'll get faster, and it'll take 2 or 3 guys. Maybe you can get this done in 2 hours, hour and 45 minutes, something like that. Very hard to see. This is tough clear vinyl plastic. This is the same stuff they use in restaurants. So it's a free idea. We're just trying to help. Thanks.